Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix services error for Windows Cloud. Not start your Windows search services on local computer. This is the error code to the system cannot find the file specified. This is a basic problem, step by step follow to get solve a problem. Okay, then go to the first step. For you will get to open the services. Then open it to scroll down for you see the Windows search. Then you will click to set it to you will right click, then properties. You will start apply for the automatic. Then you will services status for already is running. Then you will click to your Windows for the tablet to you will start. Okay, then click to running. Then you will click to apply, click to OK. Then go to the next step, or you will close the services. Then you will search the local group policy editor. Then you will search to you will see the user components. Then click to the administrative templates. Then click to the Windows components. Then scroll down for you see the search. Then double click to open. You see the default index box. Then click to select it to right click to edit. Then my PC further this is the no, this is the not part the problem. Then you will see this page. Then you will click to not confirm to change it for example. Then click to apply, click to OK. Then finish it to you will close this local group policy editor. Then finally you will click to the Windows icon. Get restart your PC or laptop to this problem is solved. Then next open to get check this error for maximum fix it. Anyone doubt to put in the comment. Then thank you for watching.